Hi, this is Reet here. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back to showcase some of our diamond replicas necklace sets with a mindset that it will give you a diamond look and make you look more stunning and elegant. See, it's true that it's always not possible for us to buy a diamond set or to carry a diamond set everywhere. So why not the diamond replicas, which will make you look elegant? With this mindset, we have manufactured some of the elegant designs to give you the diamond look. Yes, and also I would like to mention that we have manufactured them only in pure rhodium plating, just as I said, by keeping in mind about the diamond sets, because these are replicas, so that's why we have given them just the rhodium plating to give you the diamond look. Okay, so let's begin. And these all are manufactured in quantity. If you prefer in colors, you can get them manufactured from us, and in quantity you get, like if you buy in bulk, then we would give you a separate rate, or the rates are given for single sets. Or any details you would like to know, you can please mention us or send a message on the number given below. We would surely love to support and help you out this festive season. So let's begin with looking at the first one. Look at this flower, simple floral diamond replica set. See, I think it's clear, the prong setting. These are made in pure brass with a AAA stone AD cut, like which are the premium and export quality, which I always mention in my videos. They give you a lovely look. As premium quality, they are non-tarnishable. They will not tarnish for years, so you can use them regularly. And in brass, so there is no irritation or any allergy kind, because they are made in brass, so no issue with that also. And the shine will not go because of the quality of stones and plating we use. Lovely design. The second one is more simple, very cute, simple one. Just can carry it out everywhere. Very simple, maybe for teenagers. The cute little earrings. Now the third one. This is just have a drop, like two things down, two drops, circle again. All are simple. It's just the design which you want, but just the simple ones, for the coming festivals and occasions. See, cute little tiny earrings. And the prices are very reasonable, as we give direct factory rates. Look at this lovely one. These are evergreen designs, so you also don't have to worry about the trend, fashion. These designs we have manufactured with the mindset that they should be evergreen, so that you can wear it anytime. Look at this, the earrings. Beautiful cut, shine, which will really make you look as stunning as you are. Now this one, these are, see, the triangle design. Beautifully designed by our karigars. You will get also the chain with the necklace set, the silver chain. This is also as beautiful as the others. Now this is little heavier than the ones which I have showed you, the circles one, see, but it will give you a different look. The earrings are a little bigger, so maybe sometimes if you don't want to wear a set, you can just carry the earrings and ready to go. There are a lot more designs. You can also come on video call with me and see what you want. You can share your requirements and book your orders in video call or through pictures. Please do let me know your requirements, what all you want. We can do video call, either through pictures. I can give you the rates of all the jewelries, lot more available in stock. So please do let us know by sending a message, and we are there here to help you out. Thank you so much.